Can you find someone's Instagram account by photo? So let's get started. In order to find someone's Instagram account by photo, you can try to take the help from the Google Lens. So open up the Google Lens. Now go to the Lens section. From there, simply select an image. Now you can simply search this image. And if you look for the results, you might not be able to find the Instagram account unless and until the picture of this person or the person is quite famous or is a public figure. If that's not the case, then you won't be able to find someone's Instagram account by photo. That's because the Instagram doesn't offer a reverse image search feature, and using a third party that claims such functionality may violate privacy policies and could potentially be unsafe or unreliable. So it's not possible to check or find someone's Instagram account based on a photo through legitimate and ethical means. But if you have more information about the person, such as their name, username, or other social media handles, you could try searching for them directly on Instagram or other social media platforms. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.